I want to refer to a very interesting subject. If we try to understand what is human knowledge, it can be divided into two main parts. I referred to it briefly in my Jummah sermon today. And there's a saying of Allama ibn Khaldun, al-ilmu ilman, ilmul abdan wa ilmul adyan. All knowledge can be divided into two parts. Knowledge of the physical bodies, badan. This is physical body of everything. Animals, humans, celestial bodies, heavenly bodies, all these are physical. This is physical world. So knowledge of the physical bodies, ilmul abdan. And knowledge of adyan, deen, the nizam, the systems, the social, political, economic system, the moral system, the family system. These are the things which to be discussed in adyan. Now, I want to use two more words. This knowledge of things or knowledge of physical bodies is acquired knowledge. Man gets it through his sense organs. He sees and hears and touches and smells and tastes. Then the sense data is transferred to this computer, big computer, supercomputer. The supreme computer Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made, and this processes that data. And now this march of science is going on, step by step, step by step. And we don't know what will be the final stage of this advance in the knowledge of scientific knowledge for man. So this is one side. The other is the revealed knowledge. This comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So actually, knowledge can be divided into two parts, acquired knowledge and revealed knowledge. Now, Quran doesn't deal with the acquired knowledge at all. It's not a book of science or technology. It's not a book of mathematics or arithmetic, or of geometry, or of physics, or of chemistry, or of astronomy, or of embryology, or of anatomy, and so on. Although there are references to the natural phenomena, but there are references. They are not the main subjects of discussion of the Quran. There are references, because these are all signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But actually these are only given as signs and symbols of divine knowledge and wisdom. They are not discussed as such. So actually we should understand that these things are peripheral to the central theme of Quran. The central theme of Quran is guidance.